So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix TeaTV not loading links, providers, resolvers and VPN tips. Fix 1 is force close and clear cache. Open device setting, then select apps. Then find and click on TeaTV. Click force stop to terminate background process. Click storage and then clear cache. Restart your device and test TeaTV. Second fix is use a VPN to bypass ISP blocking. Download a reliable VPN onto your device, then open the VPN app and connect to a server in a different country. Open TeaTV and search for the content again. If using NordVPN, change the protocol from Nord links to OpenVPN in the settings. Third fix is deauthorize and reauthorize real debrid. Open TeaTV setting, then scroll down to the real debrid section. Then click logout or deauthorize. Click login to generate a new pairing code. Then go to this website on your phone or computer. Then enter the code and log back in. Fourth fix is perform a clear installation. Navigate to device setting, then app, then TeaTV. Click on uninstall to remove the app completely. Restart your streaming device, then open your downloader app. Install the latest official TeaTV APK version, and thanks for watching.